Today's topic is trigonometry, and let me tell you how to find the opposite hypotenuse and adjacent in a triangle. What is hypotenuse in a triangle? The longest side is the hypotenuse. And what is opposite? The opposite is the side which is opposite to the angle. Angle which is opposite to the side is the opposite. And what is adjacent? Adjacent is the next to the angle. The side which is next to the angle is the adjacent. And after knowing this, you can find the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse in a triangle, and you can find the values for the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. And how to find the sine theta? What you have to know when you have to find the sine theta? Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, which is opposite AB by hypotenuse AC, AB by AC. Knowing the values, you can substitute and you can find the value for the sine theta. And if are straightly given the angle, you can find the value for the angle and you can substitute it. And moving to the cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. And moving to this tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Sine, cos and tan is very important because it is frequently asked questions in sine, cos and tan. Cosecant, secant and cot theta are rarely asked when the question is tougher. So you have to know all the things to attend the topic in the trigonometry. And okay, let's continue. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. And cot theta is adjacent by opposite. I have written all the sides of the adjacent, hypotenuse and opposite. AB by AC, BC by AC and all I have written that in the side, and that's it. You know all the conditions for sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. If you're knowing all this, you can easily solve the question. And moving to the next thing is to know the values for the angles. For knowing the values for the angles, let me tell you how to remember it very easily. First, know the angle values, which is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the angles. And sine, cos and tan. Let me tell you for sine, cos and tan. For finding the value for the sine 0 degree, the value is 0. Sine 30 degree, then 1 by 2. You have to substitute the values depending on the values they are asked. Know the first value, which is 0, 1 by 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Knowing the first value, you can easily write the value for cos, which is just the ulta of the first value, which is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. First value, if you know the first value, it is just the ulta for the second value. You can write the second column. And third thing is multiplying 0 into 1, you will get 0. 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 will get cancelled and you will get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 2 get cancelled. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled and you will get root 3. And the final thing is tan 90 degree is infinity. Remember this thing only. And fill the values. And before starting the topic in trigonometry, write this separately on one side before solving the question, so that you can easily pick out the values and you can substitute in the question and you will get the answer. Moving to the next formula is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. These are the conditions you have to know when they're asked in the question. You have to convert it and you have to solve it. When secant 90 minus theta is given, it is cosecant theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cos theta. Moving to the next formula is sine A plus B. What is sine A plus B? Is equal to sine A cos B plus sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A plus B formula is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And similar thing for the sin A minus B. What is sin A minus B? The formula is sin A cos B. The plus sign you are seeing, right? This will be converted into a minus. This will be converted into minus for the following thing. The same formula will come, but only the sign will be changing here, which is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And moving to the next formula is similar thing. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B. In the sin A plus B, we have seen sin A and cos B. For the cos thing, it will be like the similar things. It's not a mixed thing, because in the sin formula it is mixed with sin A cos B. And for the cos A plus B, it is separately given cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And similarly for the cos A minus B, the formula comes the same similar thing, only the sign changes. Minus and plus will be coming for cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And the important condition you have to know is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Whenever you see this condition, it will be equaling it to 1. Next formula is tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. And the next thing is also similar. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. You are just changing the sign in all the formulas. Everything is similar, but you are changing the sign. Here plus, you will get your minus, and your minus, here is plus. Next formula is tan 2a. What is tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, which is 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. You can convert sin square a as sin square theta is 1 minus cos theta, right? So 2 cos square a minus 1. The formula changes as 1 minus 2 sin square t, like sin square a. You can convert the thing when you know it. The next formula is sin C plus sin D. When you're given this type of question, you can simplify by using this formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D is 2 into cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Here you are getting cos. Here you see the things 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. The things are exchanged here. Here the cos comes first and the sin comes next. For here the sin comes first and cos comes next. You have to be careful in all these formulas because a simple changes can lead to a big mistake in the answer. So you have to be very careful when you're writing the formula in the trigonometry. The next thing is cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Similar thing, cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. An important thing you have to know is when you are given 1 degree in the trigonometry question, it refers to 60 minutes. 1 degree in trigonometry refers to 60 minutes. And what is pi? Pi is circumference of circle by diameter of the circle. What is pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. And the final thing we are going to see is secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta, and that's it for the trigonometry. You have to learn all the formulas in the trigonometry and you have to just substitute the things and you will get the answer. And that's it for the trigonometry. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Stay safe. Thank you.